sound more confident when you speak? Whether you're giving a class presentation, answering in a meeting, or speaking up in debate, here are 3 simple ways to sound confident right away. First, check your posture. Sit or stand with your shoulders back and your chin slightly up. Good posture helps your voice sound strong and clear, and it shows others that you're confident, even if you feel nervous inside. Second, slow down your speaking pace. When you're nervous, it's easy to rush your words, which makes you sound unsure. Try this trick. Count 1, 2, silently in your head between sentences. This keeps your pace calm and allows your words to land with your audience. Third, use strong eye contact. If looking directly into someone's eyes feels scary, use the eye contact triangle trick. Look at one eye, then the other, then their nose or forehead, and keep rotating. If you're speaking to a group, shift your gaze every few seconds to different people so everyone feels included. These 3 tips, good posture, slowing down, and confident eye contact, can instantly change how your voice sounds and how people see you. Try these simple confidence tips in your next class or presentation and see the difference they make. Follow us for more speaking tips and check out our virtual speech and debate classes where we build confidence and communication skills.